Susan Berkley with this week's Inside Voiceover video newsletter, and boy, do I have a lot to talk to you about today. The subject is mouth noise. Now, this is something that every single voice talent needs to deal with, and people struggle with it. They're frustrated, and I wish I had the one solution for excess mouth noise, but the news is there isn't one. There are many things that you can do because everybody's mouth noise is different. So let's go over what causes mouth noise. Mouth noise is caused by basically two types of things. One is at the saliva level. Your saliva is either too thick or even too much. And you're always like slurping, trying to swallow excess saliva. The other thing has to do with your teeth. And if all of our mouths are shaped differently, and the older we get, you can develop spaces between your teeth. That creates mouth noise as well. And so that's a trip to a dentist to help you with that. But let's address some of those issues right now. Stress causes saliva to dry up or to flow more freely. So the first thing you need to do is to relax in the booth and behind the microphone. Take a yoga class, do deep breathing, whatever it takes to help yourself relax when you work. Number two is dehydration. Now, it's obvious that we need to sip water when we do voiceovers, but a lot of people don't realize that it takes up to 3 hours for your body to absorb that water. So if you know you have a session coming on, you should make sure that you're hydrating with nice, warm, filtered water throughout the day. Why do I say warm? Because cold water can actually make mouth noise worse. The next thing you need to experiment with is your diet. So depending on which foods you might be allergic to, certain foods may or may not cause more mouth noise. So things to look at are dairy and gluten. And certainly fried foods cause a lot of gunky mouth noise. So try eliminating some of those things from your diet. Certain medication can cause a dry mouth. Ask your pharmacist if they can switch you out. Or the pharmacist can also give you hydrating mouthwashes that will help to improve the sound as well. Ill-fitting dental devices, a trip to the dentist. A lot of people will eat a green apple, a tart apple, take a bite of that before they work. Be careful, though, with apple juice. The sugar in that will cause more mouth noise. So hopefully that's helpful for you. Just have to try it, experiment, see what works for you. I'm Susan Berkley, back next week with more Inside Voiceover.